Hi, my name's Tamara and I'm here to give you some tips. If you've just picked up one of these, a Positive Grid Spark Mini, the first thing you'll find after the excitement of opening the box is, oh no, it needs a firmware upgrade. And unfortunately, that's not that easy. So I was hoping this would be a truly portable device and that I could just use my tablet or my phone and manage everything from there. But no, I've had to drag out the old laptop, turn it on, get sorted out, and fail to upload the firmware several times. So my big tip is do not use Chrome. Do not use Chrome to upload it. You can follow the video that they very helpfully put up, but the video doesn't mention it. It's all mentioned in a little bit of warning at the bottom or something. So big tip, don't use Chrome. Unfortunately, you'll have to go to some other, maybe even the standard Microsoft Explorer thing, which I never use because I hate it. But anyway, and then the instructions don't think, oh yeah, I've installed 1,000 firmwares, it's fine. No, you've got to right click and go in as administrator, which is what he does describe in the video, thank goodness. And the other tip is that you have to be very specific about the order that you turn the positive grid on in. So you have to take a really careful look at the little black square instructions that they give you per step. And even then it might fail once and you just go and do the whole thing again. So that's a big disappointment when all any of us really want to do when we've just picked up a mini amp is get cracking. So anyway, I'll see if there's any more videos that I want to upload as I go. I'm a bass player, so bass player using a mini and hoping that it does the trick for me. So stay tuned, bass players, if you're thinking of doing this instead of lumping a big old amp. Bye.